Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa Kylie sa lahat ng tulong na binigay niyo sa amin, lalo na kay Kylie. Na-surprise talaga kami. Thank you so much po, Miss Kai. Okay lang po ba magbigay po ng message for everyone? Hello guys, thank you sa pasabog tonight. Happy 1 a.m. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday to me. Kasi nag-share ko sa bongga. Kami talaga nag-celebrate sa my mom's birthday. Kaya, I actually knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. Kaya, thank you talaga sa lahat ng targets na the thought of this for my mom and I. But most especially not for my mom. Because this is mainly for my mom. Yeah. Happy birthday, mom. And happy birthday na din to me. Thank you, Carmen, talaga. I love you all. Love you kayo ng Flornet. Let's go! Thank you so much po. And once again, happy birthday po for the both of you. Please, stay fast, but the celebration is a month long and a year long and worth it po to be celebrated. Muli po, happy birthday! Sana ina-surprise namin kayo early on 1 a.m.-ish. And so, hopefully po, napasaya namin kayo sa oras kayo. Schools! Muli po, happy birthday! Picture po muna tayo.